I went on a date so creepy that I literally had to fake a medical emergency to escape that place. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome to my emotional circus, and if you're not, you already know with all my stories and my other videos that I have this special skill set to attract all sort of possible weirdos, as if I'm offering them some free Wi-Fi or something like that. Today's story time is about that one day when I thought it would be okay to go on a chill platonic date with this co-worker, only to end up getting stuck in this weird horror rom-com sort of a story without my fucking consent. Now there is going to be some namuna in my comment saying that, oh my god, तेरे साथ ही सब कुछ होता है क्या सोनाली, प्लीज हमें झूठ मत बोल यार, ऐसे किसी के साथ नहीं होता है गाइस, ऐसे बहुत लोग के साथ होता है. एक बार कमेंट्स में झांक के देखो, there will at least be 2 to 3 people who will have some similar story like that. Some choose to talk about it, some choose to not talk about it, and me being me, I like to overshare it on the internet, man. So even if you think it's fake, I don't mind. Think whatever you want to. I'm going to talk about it. So I finished my college and I was excited for my first job. This was my first job. So I was meeting a lot of people, new teams, new people, unlearning, learning a lot of things, new work strategies, etc., etc. And what I feel, most of my story times are from my college days, from my school days and my early work days. I think that's when मेरी जवानी बहुत ज़्यादा फुदकती थी and मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बकचोदिया करती थी. Now like I'm this retired bitch, giving ज्ञान to people on the internet saying that don't be like दीदी. दीदी ने बहुत ज़्यादा कांड किए, दीदी बहुत ज़्यादा पछताती है, तुम लोग मत पछताओ, okay? So anyway, let's get started with the story, okay? So it was a new job. I was like, learning a lot of things. नए team members थे and मेरा nature पहले से था कि I used to be friendly with people, okay? If I used to get that vibe, I used to be friendly with people. I was kind to everyone, and that's where I met the character of the story, the namuna of my story. Let's call him Jay. Okay, so Jay was this team leader of this other team. Okay, and उसके team और मैं तो fresher थी, right? मेरा अलग team leader था and Jay अलग team का leader था. और Jay का team and my team, we used to meet a lot for कुछ meetings होने का, collaborations होने का, कुछ discussion होता था. तो अपना team बहुत ज़्यादा meetups करता था, ठीक है? और मेरा TL कैसे था ना, he was most of the time just not available to help or anything like that. Okay, और जो Jay के टीम के पब्लिक थे, उन लोग हम लोग को बोलते थे कि यार जय को पूछा करो, जय विल डेफिनेटली गाइड यू ऑल. तो वी यूज्ड टू बी लाइक चलो ठीक है, किसको तो पूछना पड़ेगा. तो वी ऑल यूज्ड टू लाइक गो टू जय कि जय 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 जस्ट हेल्प अस, ओके? एंड जय से ना कभी वैसा वाइब नहीं आया, ओके? लाइक आगे जाके व्हेन आई विल टेल यू ऑल द स्टोरी एंड व्हाटएवर हैपेंड, तुम लोग बोलोगे कि भाई क्या बात कर रही है करके, बट वो बंदे से कभी ऐसा वाइब नहीं आया, ओके? आई मीन टू मी ही वाज अ वेरी गुड लुकिंग गाय, वेरी प्रेजेंटेबल. अब तुम लोग ये बोलोगे हाँ गुड लुकिंग थी इसके लिए गई वरना नहीं जाती, नहीं ऐसा नहीं है भाई. फॉर मी ब्यूटी इज सब्जेक्टिव. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई गुड लुकिंग लड़का होगा बट आई मे नॉट बी अट्रैक्टेड टू हिम, राइट? और आई मे नॉट फाइंड हिम अट्रैक्टिव. सो ब्यूटी इज वेरी सब्जेक्टिव टू मी. वाइब एंड पर्सनैलिटी मैटर्स एंड ही हैड दैट, ओके? बट एज आई सेड, आई वाज नॉट लुकिंग फॉर अ रिलेशनशिप or any sort of a situationship, okay? And I thought, okay fine, he's a nice guy, very helpful and everything, तो मैं उससे हेल्प लेती थी, बाकी लोग भी उससे हेल्प लेते थे and everything. And कभी कभी I used to notice that he used to stare at me, okay? And I have caught him staring at me like multiple times. So तब मुझे लगता था कि भाई like why is he staring at me? And women लोग का वो gut feeling बहुत strong रहता है, ठीक है? तो मुझे समझ गया कि okay ये बंदा line मार रहा है. And I was like, what सोनाली, कुछ भी हो जाए गलती से भी इसको lead मत करना, because कल मुझे नहीं चाहिए मुझे आके कोई बोले कि हाँ हेल्प वेल्प तो ले रही थी, मस्ती मजाक कर रही थी, अभी इसको डेट नहीं करना. लेट मी चेक माई माइक. हाँ, इसको अभी डेट नहीं करना करके. तो आई थॉट व्हाट, नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी टीम लंच या ब्रंच कुछ होगा, मैं इनडायरेक्टली बात करते करते सबसे कन्वे कर दूंगी कि मेरे को तो रिलेशनशिप में पढ़ना ही नहीं है, ठीक है? एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड. जब हम लोग लंच वंच कर रहे थे, मैंने बोल दिया कि यार नो यार, मेरे को तो रिलेशनशिप चाहिए ही नहीं, आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग फॉर गुड फ्रेंडशिप्स, नथिंग एल्स, सो दैट उसको मैसेज क्लियर हो जाए. एंड ही हर्ड दैट एंड ही वाज लाइक अ बिट सैड. आई कुड सी दैट, ओके? आई वाज लाइक चलो ठीक है, जो भी है ठीक है. एंड दैट मंथ ना, इट वाज वन ऑफ द बिजिएस्ट वर्किंग आवर्स फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस, ओके? तो किसी किसी का काम डिपेंडिंग ऑन देयर क्लाइंट्स जल्दी खत्म होता था, किसी किसी का काम खत्म नहीं होता था. तो मी एंड 2 ऑफ माय अदर कलीग्स, वी यूज्ड टू वेट, ओके? हम लोग ऐसा बहुत रुकते थे एंड हम लोग लेट तक काम करते थे. एंड एवरीडे जय आके पूछता था कि ओके कितना काम हो गया है, लाइक क्या बोलते हैं कि कुछ हेल्प चाहिए क्या, कुछ सजेशंस चाहिए. एंड वी शुड बी नहीं ठीक है चलेगा, वी हैव गॉट दिस, डोंट वरी. एंड देन वो मेरे पास आके मुझे बोलता है कि लाइक शुड आई ड्रॉप यू होम? एंड आई शुड बी लाइक भाई नो. तो मैं उसको सीधा बोलती कि नो 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 प्लीज प्लीज थैंक यू बट नो, बिकॉज मेरे को अगेन डर लगता था किसी से कुछ फेवर लेने का, बिकॉज कॉलेज में ऐसा एक बार एक्सपीरियंस हुआ था मेरे साथ, वेर आई took a favor from one of my seniors, and then he assumed that I will be willing to sleep with him. I'm not saying all guys are like that, but some have this assumption that okay, if a girl is sweet to them, talking nicely to them, taking their favors and help, they will do anything. तो मेरे को हिंट देना ही नहीं था भाई सामने वाले को. So what I did, I was like, you know what, it's okay, don't drop me, I'll manage it. Every day he used to ask me, okay, and वो every day बुरा भी लगता था. एक benefit of doubt भी मेरे अंदर आता था कि maybe he's a good guy, it's okay, you know, let him drop you. But मेरा वो other side, the one who has experienced nonsense, वो बोलता कि नहीं सोनाली मत help लेना इससे, ठीक है. फिर एक दिन क्या हो गया, while he was going home, he used to always ask me क्या काम है, कितना पढ़ने का, and he used to ask me मैं drop करूँ क्या. तो that day he saw me कि you know मैं ऐसे ही check कर रही थी कुछ restaurants and everything. तो he was like अरे like what are you checking? मैंने कहा नहीं नहीं कुछ नहीं. और this is a thing guys and girls, कभी किसी को अपना लाइफ का सब कुछ सच नहीं बताने का, ठीक है. बिकॉज ये जो मैंने अभी उसको बताया, that was one of the major mistakes. okay, तो मैंने उसको बता दिया कि नहीं यार मैं तो डिनर, मैं ये रेस्टोरेंट है मेरे घर के आसपास ही है, सो यू नो आई एम जस्ट गोना टेक लाइक ऑर्डर अ टेक आउट एंड घर पे जाके खाऊंगी. सो वो लाइक क्यों, लाइक घर पे खाना नहीं है, लाइक मॉम डैड ने कुछ बनाया नहीं. तो बोले अरे नहीं नहीं मेरे मॉम डैड तो यू नो नेटिव विजिट कर रहे हैं and I am home alone. Okay, and I was like, अंदर से एक आवाज आया कि भाई तूने क्यों बोला करके, like why did you tell? But then I was like, it's okay, he's a decent guy, right? क्या ही बुरा हो सकता है, exactly क्या ही बुरा हो सकता है. So I told him कि ऐसा ऐसा है and I have to like order a take out, and he was like, oh what a coincidence, you know मैंने भी डिनर नहीं किया, let us go and grab a bite together. And I was like no, I do not want to like go and eat with you. He was like अरे क्या मैं राक्षस थोड़ी ना हूँ सोनाली, मैं तुमको you know रोज ऑफर करता हूँ कि मैं तुमको ड्रॉप करूँ, तुम वो भी हेल्प नहीं लेते हो मेरे से, and now you are saying no for a dinner. It's okay, it's nothing romantic, it's just a platonic dinner date between two co-workers. Just relax, I'm harmless and everything. And again मेरे को लग रहा था अंदर से मैं बोलूँ कि नहीं यार, मेरे को अंदर से बोल रही यार सोनाली जस्ट तेरा टेक आउट ले, घर पे जा चुपचाप शांति से पिक्चर लगा के आराम से खा के सो जा, ठीक है. बट ही वॉज कन्विंसिंग मी सो मच ना दैट मुझे नो बोलने हुआ ही नहीं. एंड बैक देन आई वॉज रियली बैड विद बाउंड्रीज एंड मुझे नो बोलने आता नहीं था. तो आई चलो ठीक है जाती हूँ करके. बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक ऑफ माई लाइफ. क्यों गई मैं. So then we left for dinner and it was raining outside, you know, तो बारिश वारिश आ रहा था. तो we were like चलो ठीक है ऑटो में जाते हैं, ठीक है. एंड जब हम लोग ऑटो में बैठे थे तभी भी he was like oh wow बारिश आ रहा है, it's so romantic, you know, this is the मौसम of falling in love, ऐसे सब cringe बातें कर रहा था. And I just looked at him and I was like what, and he was like come on Sonali, I'm just feeling very romantic today. And guys that was my clue. मुझे रिक्शा से कूद जाना चाहिए था, मुझे भाग जाना चाहिए था, because the way he was loosening up with me धीरे धीरे. I mean ऑफिस में जो जय को मैंने देखा और जो रिक्शा में बैठ के जो बकचोदिया कर रहा था, तुम लोगों को लगेगा कि क्या ही बकचोदी कर रहा था, वो तो बस बता रहा था कि आई एम फीलिंग रोमांटिक. भाई क्या है, एक लड़की जस्ट अग्रीड ऑन अ प्लेटोनिक डिनर डेट विद यू, नॉट अ रोमांटिक डिनर डेट. यू कांट बी लाइक शाहरुख खान की ओहो हो आई एम फीलिंग सो रोमांटिक एंड यू नो प्यार का मौसम है. लाइक आई डू नॉट वांट टू हियर दैट. Understood. But anyway I just thought you know what Sonali, just loosen up, it's fine, you know, you might be overthinking, क्योंकि मैं खुद को वैसा कन्विंस कर रही थी, ठीक है. एंड देन वी फाइनली रीच द प्लेस. ओके, अब मेरा गलती क्या हुआ, मैंने उसको पूछा तक नहीं कि हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं. मुझे लगा कि आसपास का कुछ यू नो रेस्टोरेंट होगा, डाइनिंग प्लेस होगा. बट द मिनट वी रीच देयर गाइज, oh my god, it was not like a normal restaurant जहाँ पे दोस्त लोग जाके chill करते. It was like this proper fine dining place, you know, जिसका ambience बहुत romantic है with those dim lights and music भी ऐसा बहुत soft romantic है. And everyone who was sitting there, they were either couples or I don't know what sort of couples, but it was like a proper romantic fine dining restaurant. And I was like oh my god. And मैं उसको देख के बोली कि जय like why are we here? He was like come on, it's one of the best restaurants in this area, just come. I'm like yeah but it's like a romantic restaurant. He was like yeah but इधर का ना खाना बहुत मस्त रहता है. तो ना तब मैं सोचने लग गई ठीक है ये already like you know the minute we left from the office he's behaving a bit weird, saying I'm feeling romantic blah blah blah, and अभी मेरे को एक fine dining place पे लाया. But I still thought you know what Sonali, restaurant में क्या ही हो सकता है, खाना खा के निकलना ही है, it's fine. Okay, exactly that's what I thought, क्या ही हो सकता है restaurant में. Then we sat, okay, we sat and like हम लोग ने खाना वाना मंगाया and we were eating. And this guy asked me this question, how many boyfriends did you have? I was like, bitch, like you're crossing this boundary. And I just looked at him and I was like, Jay, that's none of your business. Why are you asking me that? He was like, Sonali यार तू कितनी rigid है, तू कितनी stiff है, थोड़ा खुल जाना है. हम लोग दोस्ती तो है अब इतना मन से you know me. Come on. I'm like, no, I don't know you. I only know you as my co-worker, as my senior. I know that you're a helpful guy, you're a nice guy, and you're really smart and everything. But I am not comfortable sharing how many boyfriends I had. The next question will be something more personal, and I do not want to answer that. And he will say, okay, fine, relax. Okay, at least I can talk about myself, right? And I was like, yeah, fine. He was like, at least you can be a good listener, right? I was like, yeah, sure. I don't mind being a good listener. Okay. And he was like, you know what, Sonali, this world is so pathetic, and he was opening up. Okay, so I thought, you know what, it's okay anyway. Guys jo hote hai, they do not open up quickly, you know. So if I can be a good listener, just sit and listen to what he's talking and he can just let it out, it's fine, right? We all want good friends who listen to us. That was the biggest mistake. Not everybody deserves to be listened ka English hota hai, but not everybody deserves having a good listener like me, and you know, like other people who are good listeners. I know I'm not making sense, but I just got a bit pissed off. Okay, and वो ऐसा बैठा बोलता है कि यार ये वर्ल्ड इतना इतना सेल्फिश है ना, everybody they just want sex. And I was like, did I hear what you're actually saying? And I just looked at him and I was like, huh? He was like, हाँ Sonali, everybody just wants sex, you know. सबको बस physical aspect चाहिए. Nobody wants emotional connection, emotional stability. अब शायद वो जो बोल रहा था सही है, but ये जो topic है, I will discuss this with my महिला मित्र, right? I will discuss this with my close people. I'm not going to discuss this with my co-worker who I barely know. But again, तुम लोग मुझे बोलोगे, if you barely knew, then तू lunch dinner के लिए क्यों गई? हाँ, वो मैं ही छूतिया, वो मैं जानती हूँ, ठीक है. अब ये मुझे रिमाइंड मत करो, मेरे को पता है मेरा गलती है. ओके, सो ही वाज लाइक, या लाइक यू नो, एवरीबody just wants sex, everybody wants this situationship, physical relationship, nobody wants emotional connection. And I was like, okay, you know. And then he was like, you know, I just had one girlfriend throughout my life. I was like, oh amazing. मैं पूछने भी नहीं गई क्या हुआ, क्यों breakup हुआ, because I was already uncomfortable with this topic. Okay, like he's already started talking about sex with me, like as if I'm his bidu or something like that. And he was like, you know, I just dated her for so many years, but I never had sex with her. She always wanted to have sex with me, but I did not. You know why, Sonali? Not because I couldn't. I could if I wanted to. I swear to God, guys, ऐसे नमूने लोग हैं ना दुनिया में, मुझे खुद को हंसी आ रही है बोलने का. I mean, I want to be empathetic towards this person, but the way he behaved, as I will tell you all as I'm going to talk, it's just that by the way he behaved, मेरे को अभी उसके लिए कुछ empathy नहीं है, ठीक है. And he was like, I could if I wanted to, but I did not, you know. You know why, Sonali? I was like, why? He was like, because my dad sensed. Dad, how did your dad sense? I was like, guys, I'll tell you something. जब कोई ऐसा बात करता है and that person is talking nonsense like how this person is, मैं ना थोड़ा ना freeze हो जाती हूँ, ठीक है. Like I do not believe that some people like this exist who speak shit. Okay, so I just looked at him and I was like, your dad? He was like, yeah, you know, my dad is very spiritual, Sonali, so he senses, you know, if a girl is really in love with me or if she's with me only for sex. I told my dad about my girlfriend. I showed him her picture, and you know, he saw her picture, he sensed her aura and other things. And then he was like, you know what, beta, just stay far from this girl. She's with you only for the physical aspect and she will just use you for that. And I was like, interesting, okay. And he was like, yeah, that's why I broke up with her, but she was so crazy for me. I don't understand, why do everybody say that? Some of my guy friends are really good, okay, but some of the other guys who I've met, they're always like, हाँ लड़की मेरे पीछे थी. क्यों भाई, तुम उसके पीछे नहीं रह सकते? मुझे ये लॉजिक नहीं समझता, ठीक है. तो he was like, she was so crazy for me, I could but I did not, you know. And after that, जितने भी लड़कियों को मैं मिला हूँ, my dad always told me, no beta, do not date these girls, they are with you only for sex. And I was like, bhai, ये इसका बाप क्या रैकेट चला रहा है? Like बाबा verified virginity योजना स्कीम चल रही है कि भाई क्या ही चल रहा है. And I was like, okay. He was like, exactly, Sonali, that's why I never had sex with anyone, I'm still a virgin. So I was like, ओके फाइन, मैं जज नहीं कर रही हूँ भाई, बिकॉज इफ आई वॉच माई अदर वीडियो, यहाँ पे मैंने वर्जिनिटी के बारे में बात किया है, आई ऑलवेज फील लाइक सबको अपना टाइम लेके ये करना चाहिए चीज, नॉट आउट ऑफ पीयर प्रेशर समथिंग एल्स. सो आई डिड नॉट जज हिम. आई वाज लाइक ओह ग्रेट. ही वाज लाइक आई नो यू आर जजिंग मी, यू थॉट ना मैं कोई macho हूँ who might have slept with so many girls, I'm this hunk. I was like no, you're like assuming, so stop assuming. I'm not thinking anything like that. He was like, you know what, Sonali, I told my dad about you. I was like, what? And he's like, yeah. I was like, wait, 1 second. I clearly told you I'm not looking for a relationship, and this is supposed to be friendship. And right now we are having dinner as two co-workers. He was like, yeah. Sorry, मेरा camera अचानक बंद हो गया. So yeah, I told him that listen, you clearly knew, right, that I'm not interested in dating or something like that. So I don't know ये topic कहाँ से आता है. He was like, yeah, I know that, but I can't help what I feel, right? और वो aggressive हो गया, okay? And I was like, okay, like this is not what I signed up for. So I was like, you know what, listen, I think I'm gonna go. I do not want to listen to this. And he was like, listen, I'm really in love with you. I'm like, love? Bro, we only have known each other like for months and you're already in love with me. You don't know anything about me. I don't know anything about you. He was like, that's what love is, Sonali. I don't need to know you, or, you know, I don't need to talk to you in depth to know you. I could just sense you, you know, and even my father could sense you. What is happening here? Why is your father sensing me? Why are you sensing me? Like, kya ho raha? And I was like, what did you tell your father? He was like, no, I just told my father. I showed him your picture. I was like, which picture? Are you like stalking me? He was like, no, I'm not stalking you. This picture was open on your Instagram. And I'm like, bhai, just because मेरा public profile है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तू मेरा photo ऐसा बकचोदी कर देता. I was like, you know what? This is not cool. Jay, are you hearing yourself? Are you hearing? This is so creepy. He's like, no, it's not creepy, Sonali. You have to hear me out. I'm like, I'm not going to hear you out. Like, why are you showing my picture to your dad? He was like, listen to me. My dad told that, you know, she's a nice girl. I also told my dad that she's a nice girl. She's a very hardworking girl, very beautiful, and I'm in love with her. But my dad told, no. She has this very weird personality, you know, and even she's into you for sex. Into you for sex, भाई. मैंने तेरे बारे में वो तरीके से सोचा ही नहीं. Sorry, I'm stammering and मैं हकला रही हूँ, but I was so furious. भाई मेरे दिमाग का दही वड़ा हो गया. I was like, भाई तू क्या बोल रहा है? I was like, listen, this is very creepy. You should be thankful कि मैं ये सब HR को जाके नहीं बोल रही हूँ, but please just let me go. I'm not gonna have dinner with you. और मैं उठी, ठीक है. जैसे ही मैं उठी, he started crying, okay, and I'm like, oh my god, like, and guys, I have this sympathy for people who start crying, okay, even if they are like, suppose कोई आके मेरे सामने ऐसा चाकू लेके भी आ जाएगा, भाई मैं तेरे को मारने आ रहा हूँ, बट फिर अगर वो रोने लग गया ना, मैं भागना बंद करूंगा और जाके पूछूंगी कि भाई क्या हुआ है, रो रहा क्यों है, तेरे को कंधा चाहिए, मतलब कंधा चाहिए रखने के लिए, and that's stupid, okay. So I was like, you know what, fuck, he's crying, I can't go. So I was like, okay, bye, calm down. What happened? He was like, Sonali, I'm just sharing with you. You promised to me that you will be a good listener. I'm like, listen, I want to be a good listener, but you're creeping me out. Can't you see that? And he was like, can you just hear me? I'm like, okay, fine. And मैंने खुद को बोला, you know what, Sonali, एक बार उसको सुन ले, शायद बेचारे का वो इंटेंशन नहीं होगा. पब्लिक कभी कभी बराबर कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पाता है. That's how I was convincing myself. And he was like, you know what, Sonali, my dad has told me not to do this, but the thing is now I think about you. I'm like, okay. He was like, no, I think about you. I was like, think about me. I understood that. He was like, no, I touch myself thinking about you. I masturbate thinking about you. I mean, what? Oh God. When he said that, मेरा first instinct था कि उसको जोर से थप्पड़ मारूं and just उसको पूछूं कि भोसड़ी के तू सोच क्या रहा है, ठीक है? But then I was like, you know what, Sonali, 1 second. Don't get aggressive, okay? Aggressive is like your first reaction. Don't get aggressive. जगह देख, पब्लिक देख. लुक एट दिस गाय, ओके. एंड उसने फर्स्ट टाइम भी, लाइक व्हेन आई गॉट अप टू गो, उसने मेरा हाथ इतना अग्रेसिवली पकड़ा था कि मेरे को यहाँ पे पूरा मार्क आ गया था, ठीक है. एंड दिस गाय, आई एम 5'6", ही वाज ऑलमोस्ट 6'4", ओके. सो ही वाज डबल देन मी एंड आई वाज लाइक, यू नो व्हाट, even if यहाँ पे मैं उसको थप्पड़ मार के यहाँ से भाग जाऊँ, there is a chance that he can follow me after that, okay. And he knows I'm home alone. He knows where I live, because like an idiot I told him, I live this place, where, and it won't take much time for him to search, okay. And I was like, you know what, Sonali, अग्रेशन मत दिखाना, शांति से डील करना, ये यूज करना, हाथ पैर मत यूज करना, ठीक है. So I was like, you know what, गुस्सा थूक दे, शांति से बैठ जा, ठीक है. And I was like, what did you say? He was like, I'm so sorry Sonali, I don't want to creep you out, but I do think about you in those ways. And the thing is, I've been virgin for such a long time that I haven't been touched, and when I think about you I feel really good, you know. But my dad has sensed that and he's trying to control me more. He's telling me that you should not be around this girl. Now also he's calling me so much. उसने अपना फोन उठा के मेरे को दिखा, उसके डैड के ऑलमोस्ट 20 मिस कॉल्स थे. So I was like, you know what, this is crazy, this is creepy, and this is not normal. Okay, like ये पूरा खानदान पागल है. But I was feeling very bad for this guy. Okay, I mean, कैसी हूँ ना मैं, ऐसे टाइम में मुझे भागना चाहिए, but I was empathizing with him. This is what happens when you're a fucking people pleaser with anxiety issues. Okay, so I just sat there and I was like, you know what, listen, this is not right what you're thinking, you are creeping me out, I have to go. And जब मैं बोल रही थी ना I have to go, he was getting more angry and aggressive. And that's when I realized that this guy has some sort of weird abandonment issues. Okay, and the more I will tell him I have to go, the more aggressive he'll get. तो थोड़ा दिमाग लड़ा, ठीक है. And then he went on crying. I mean, he was talking about a lot of things, you know, like how his father controlled a lot of narratives in his life, his sexual frustration, his mom and his dad's dynamic, how his father chose his mom, all that. I mean, see, even I am a spiritual person, even I am religious, but this is straight away अंधविश्वास, like whatever they are doing. Okay, and it was very creepy. तो मैंने तुरंत जब वो ऐसा बात कर रहा था, मैंने मेरे फ्रेंड को मैसेज किया कि SOS, फेक एन emergency, call me in 10 minutes. Okay, and I was, मैंने उसको क्यों 10 मिनट बोला, बिकॉज अगर मेरी फ्रेंड तुरंत कॉल करके emergency फेक करेगी और अगर मुझे भागना पड़ा, इसको समझेगा कि मैं झूठ बोल के भाग रही हूँ, एंड यू डोंट नो व्हाट ही विल डू, राइट. रेस्टोरेंट में कुछ करेगा नहीं, बाहर जाके कुछ किया तो मैं क्या ही करूंगी. सो आई वाज लाइक, शांति से सोचना है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. सो 10 मिनट आई वाज जस्ट लिसनिंग टू हिम. आई वाज लाइक या एंड व्हेन आई वाज लिसनिंग टू हिम गाइस, मेरा हाथ ऐसा था और उसने मेरा हाथ को ना ऐसा पकड़ के, लाइक इमेजिन ही इज एक्सप्रेसिंग, ही इज क्राइंग, पीपल आर लुकिंग एट अस, पीपल आर लाइक सीइंग लाइक व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, पीपल आर थिंकिंग प्रोबेबली कि लड़की ने उस पर चीट किया है, गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड को धोखा दे रही है, एंड ही वाज लुकिंग लाइक द बेचारा गाय. बट उसने मेरा हाथ ना ऐसा पकड़ के रखा था, ऐसा टाइट, ठीक है. एंड आई कुड नॉट मूव माई हैंड, ठीक है. द नेक्स्ट डे मेरा हाथ जो दुखा है, एंड आई वाज लाइक शिट व्हाट टू डू, लाइक मेरी गांड फट गई थी, ठीक है. आई एम नॉट लाइंग, मेरी गांड फट गई थी. आई वाज लाइक फक. आई वाज लाइक ओके. आई वाज लिसनिंग. आई वाज लाइक, डू यू वांट टू ड्रिंक वाटर, डू दिस, डू दैट. एंड मेरी फ्रेंड ने कॉल किया. I'm checking my mic because this goes off. I was just hoping कि मेरी फ्रेंड अच्छे से एक्ट करे, ओवर एक्टिंग ना करे और उसको डाउट ना हो, बिकॉज ही इज अ स्मार्ट गाय, ठीक है. तो लाइक, तो जैसे मेरी फ्रेंड ने कॉल किया, ही लुक्ड एट मी लाइक दैट. ओके गाइज, आई एम नॉट गोना लाई, आई जस्ट फेल्ट लाइक आई वाज in this hostage kind of situation, you know. It was that creepy. तो जैसे मैंने मेरी फ्रेंड का कॉल उठाया, मैंने स्पीकर पे रख दिया, एंड आई वाज लाइक, हेलो, हाँ क्या हो गया. एंड शी वाज लाइक, सोनाली, एंड शी, वो तो फुल ओवर एक्टिंग की, ठीक है. सोनाली, मेरा हाथ ये हो गया, आई एम ब्रोकन माय आर्म, मेरी मॉम मेरे साथ हॉस्पिटल में, प्लीज जल्दी आ, कोई नहीं है, नीड यू. एंड शी वाज क्राइंग. ओके, वेल डिजर्व्ड, लाइक दैट्स व्हाई पब्लिक ने मेरे लाइफ में इतना ओवर एक्टिंग करते हैं, ऐसे लोग का जरूरत है. ओके, एंड शी वाज क्राइंग एंड आई वाज लाइक, ओह शिट, मैं अभी आ रही हूँ, टेंशन मतलब मेरे को अभी आ रही है. जैसे ही मैं बोली ना मैं अभी आ रही हूँ, वो मेरा हाथ ना और टाइटली पकड़ रहा था, ऐसे कर रहा था, लाइक व्हाट हैपेंड, वेयर गोइंग. एंड मैंने ऐसे फोन रखा, लाइक, जय बाबा, आई हैव टू गो. ओके, एंड ही वाज लाइक, वेयर डू यू हैव टू गो. नो आई एम लाइक, लिसन, माय फ्रेंड, शी ब्रोक अ आर्म. ओके, her arm is fractured, I have to be there with her at the hospital, only her mom is there. What do you mean only her mom is there, father is not there or what? I'm like, Jay, calm down. Okay, and तभी वो एक वेटर आया, and he was like, is everything okay? And मेरे को तभी बोलना चाहिए था वेटर को, बट मेरी इतनी फट चुकी थी कि वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं क्या करूँ. मतलब I could have told the waiter what is happening, but I was so embarrassed, I was so scared, and he was like, no, waiter, everything is fine, don't worry. And I just looked at him and I was like, Jay, listen, I have to go. Okay, I'll talk to you. I will talk to you once I reach home. He was like, can I come with you home? I was like, no Jay, I won't be at home, I will be with my friend and her mom. भाई, इसको मेरे घर पे क्यों आना था, like क्या चल रहा है. And I was like, I have to go. He was like, I'll come to drop you. I was like, no need. My it's here only. I'll go and come. He was like, which hospital? Tell me. I was like, मैं कौन सा hospital? मैंने कुछ तो भलता है hospital का नाम बोला. And he was like, he was convincing me for another 15 minutes कि okay, let me come, Sonali, please don't leave me. I know once you go home you will block me. I'm like, I will not block you. Just give me some time. I will come. He was like, sorry, I didn't want to creep you out, but it's just so hard to pretend that I'm this perfect guy with no issues. I just wanted to let it all out. I was like, I understand. Don't worry. ऐसे से बोल के मैं उठी. जैसे मैं उठी, he got up and he was like, okay fine, at least you can have one dance with me. I was like, Jay, I have to go. And he was like, no, one dance so you can have na. I was like, हाँ, एंड उसने ना क्या किया पता है, इट इज सो, मैं उठी हूँ, ओके, वो सामने सोच, मैं सोनाली, दिस कैमरा इज जय, ही हेल्ड माई हैंड एंड ही वाज लाइक ओके वी कैन डांस, एंड ही वाज लाइक कैन आई होल्ड योर वेस्ट, आई एम लाइक नो नो नो, आई हैव टू गो ना जय, एंड ही वाज लाइक, it was so fucking weird. Now that I think about it, it's funny, but back then it was not funny. Okay, I was traumatized. My ass was traumatized. He held my hand and he was doing this. And I was like, okay, okay. Others were dancing. Fucking people were so high. Nobody even noticed that I'm fucking scared as fuck here, except for that waiter who I didn't tell anything. And he was like, okay, can I hold you more closer? I'm like, no, no, no. I have to go. I have to go. Okay, now I'm going. And tab tak we were dancing like that, like two fucking idiots. We were looking. Oh my god. I can't even laugh. It is very weird actually. Okay. And then I'm like, okay, I have to go. Okay. And मैं वहाँ से भागी नहीं. जब तक मैं उसके साइड में थी, वो just looking at me, like finish your meal, okay, finish your meal, as if मैं कोई toddler से बात कर रही हूँ. And I left that place. Okay. The minute I stepped out of the restaurant, oh my god, I ran like what is that runner, हुसैन बोल्ट. हाँ, उससे भी स्पीड में भागी मैं. फटफट मैं रिक्शा पकड़ा और मैं बार बार पीछे घूम के देख रही थी. 50 से 100 बार तो मैं पीछे घूम के देखी, जस्ट टू सी कि भाई वो बदनामी को फॉलो तो नहीं कर रहा है. मैं बार बार ऐसा देख रही थी किधर है क्या, किधर है क्या, वो किधर है क्या. एंड मेरा फोन इज बजिंग विद मैसेजेस. ओके, हाय, वेयर आर यू, डिड यू रीच, हाउ इज योर फ्रेंड, लाइक वन लाइनर्स भेज रहा है बंदा चूतियों जैसा. आर यू ओके, डिड आई स्केयर यू, डिड आई डिसअपॉइंट यू, दैट्स नॉट माय इंटेंशन, माय फादर इज लाइक दैट, ओनली दिस दैट. आई वाज लाइक, यू नो व्हाट, आई हैव नो टाइम फॉर दिस बुलशिट. मैंने फटफट मेरा नेट ऑफ किया, मैं घर पे गई, मेरी फ्रेंड भी घर पे आई जस्ट फॉर सिक्योरिटी. शो लाइक मैं भी आज तेरे साथ सोती हूँ. शी केम घर पे, हम लोगों ने ऑर्डर किया एंड मैं बार बार पीपोल से ऐसा बाहर देख रही थी कि व्हाट इफ इसको पता चले कि मैं कौन से फ्लोर में रहती हूँ या फिर कौन से बिल्डिंग में रहती हूँ. क्योंकि एरिया तो मैंने बता ही दिया था कि मैं कौन से एरिया में रहती हूँ. गर्ल्स नेवर डू दैट, ओके, इट्स नॉट सेफ. एंड देन मैंने मेरा नेट ऑन किया अगेन, मैंने उससे ऑलमोस्ट 50 मैसेजेस आए एंड दिस टाइम इट वाज पैराग्राफ्स. ओके, एंड आई वाज रीडिंग एक एक पैराग्राफ. माय फ्रेंड वाज लाइक, भाई क्या है ये, like you legit have to do police complaint here, okay. And these paragraphs were all like weird confessions, childhood trauma, sexual frustration, sexual addiction, horoscope analysis. He knew my birthday because I think he checked this employee ka portal, so he was like, your birthday is on November 10th, you know, so iske hisab se you need to do this thing, you need to do that sort of manifestation puja, you are perfect for me, but this pandit had predicted that this girl will come in your life who will be like, you know, she'll have black hair, brown skin, big eyes. I don't know kya bullshit that he thought it was me. I was just reading it and I was like, shit, this is bad. I have to do something. I was like, listen, Jay, okay, you are an amazing guy, but unfortunately you're not healed. So I really hope you heal and you seek therapy. And talking to your father, listening to your father is not therapy, okay? I really hope both you and your father seek therapy. You have creeped me out, okay? You scared the fuck out of me. I really wish I could be there in your life as your friend, but I can't do that because you're creeping me out and I'm not feeling safe anymore. So please, if you really respect me and you respect our friendship or our equation as co-workers, you will stop, okay? Else I will legit go to the HR, okay? And ऐसे बोल के मैंने उसको ब्लॉक कर दिया, ठीक है. अब सीन क्या है कि नेक्स्ट दिन ऑफिस जाना था, तो अब ऑफिस में तो मुझे उसका शक्ल दिखेगा एंड इवन इफ आई एम सराउंडेड विद पीपल, कभी ना कभी अकेले वो मुझे किधर ना किधर देख लेगा. एंड व्हाट इफ ही टॉक्स टू मी. So next day I went to office and I was like, you know what, I need to tell at least one person because I am not feeling safe, okay? तो मैंने मेरी coworker को बोला, I told her that, you know what is happening and हम लोग किधर भी जाएंगे, let's go together, because अगर मैं किधर भी अकेले दिख गई, he will try to corner me, talk to me or something like that, and obviously physically I can't fight with him. शायद उठ के एक टपली वपली चमाट तो मारी लूंगी, but actually he will win यार, obviously. So I told her, and when I saw him in the office, oh my god, he was like so, like उसका शक्ल में इतना anger था. I was like, shit भाई, like what the fuck is gonna happen, okay? And मेरे पेरेंट्स भी 1 वीक के लिए नहीं है. I could not tell my parents this because no टेंशन में फटफट वापस आते, तो मुझे वो सब चाहिए नहीं था, ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं करना है, मेरे ऐसा नहीं करना है, तुमको सबको बोलना है, ठीक है? You have to be safe, okay? And he should try, okay? जब मैं ऐसा वॉशरूम जाओ with my friend या फिर कैफे जाओ, कैंटीन जाओ, he will try to come वहाँ पे and try to talk to me, but people who are around me, तो he never got a chance. And जैसे ही मेरा ऑफिस खत्म होता था, I used to like run with my friend, फटफट लिफ्ट ये करके, क्योंकि मुझे किधर भी उसके अकेले रहना नहीं था, ठीक है? एंड देन आई रियलाइज कि मैंने उसको फेसबुक और इंस्टा में तो ब्लॉक ही नहीं किया, तो फिर उसने मेरे को वहाँ पे मैसेजेस करना चालू किया, लाइक सोनाली दिस इज नॉट फेयर, यू जस्ट ब्लॉक्ड मी, यू यूज्ड मी, लाइक आई शेयर्ड ऑल माई फीलिंग्स विद यू एंड you just used me, you wanted just some, you just wanted some masala in your life and wanted some tea and that's why you listened to me. Why did you agree agree to go on a date with me if you didn't have feelings for me? And मेरे को legit उसको बोला था कि छूती है, मैंने वो clearly बोला था कि it's gonna be platonic, just a friendly dinner. It's okay, it's not a fucking date or something like that. वहाँ भी उसका पैराग्राफ चलोगे, फिर मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया. I messaged him saying that listen, this is too much, okay? Whatever, you're like legit harassing me at this point, okay? Like I legit told you that I do not want to talk to you. I wish you all the best and all the healing possible, but this is not right, okay? You're not making me feel safe in my own office, in my own house, okay, in my own area and city. And if you continue doing that, I have all these screenshots of all the chats, okay? I'm first gonna go and report you to the HR, okay? And then second, I'm gonna go and tell my parents, and we are gonna go and report it to the police, okay? So now it's on you. If you want to continue doing this bullshit, I'm gonna do that. मुझे पता है मुझे बहुत पहले बोलना चाहिए था, but that's the problem with me, right? मेरा ना दिमाग में ना मुझे कभी कभी लगता है ना, मेरा एंग्जाइटी ना जुम्बा करने लगता है, फिर ना मेरे को पब्लिक की तरफ इतना ज्यादा एम्पैथी है कि आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू सी द गुड इन ऑल दीज बैड पीपल, यू नो, एंड that fucks me up left and right. I feel ये मुझे पहले ही करना चाहिए था, but इतना कुछ होता ही नहीं. But anyway, I told this to him and I was very stern with that, and then he was like he did not reply only. Did he reply? Wait, let me think. Yeah, he did not reply, and he got so scared कि उसने ही मुझे ब्लॉक कर दिया इंस्टा में, ठीक है. बट डबल चेक करने के लिए मैंने भी उसको ब्लॉक कर दिया, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए वो मुझे अनब्लॉक करके स्टॉक वॉक करे. Eventually I switched that workplace, not because of him, maybe partially because of him, but also because of that work was no longer bringing any sort of value in my life. So I was like, you know what, I might as well switch. But yes, that was how my story was of meeting a creepy guy where I had to fake a medical emergency. My friend had to fake a medical emergency. So we all need such friends in life, you know, जो तुम्हारे लिए ये सब करे. But yes, that is one of my weirdest creepy story. I feel I have a lot of weird, traumatic, unhinged, creepy stories, and I think it's amazing content for YouTube. My friends always tell me, you know, कि भाई तेरे life में तेरा ना teenage life and तेरा early 20s का life इतना ज़्यादा comedy था, इतना ज़्यादा traumatic था, या फिर ना कुछ unhinged चीज़ें इतना होता था कि you can legit make a content on that or a book on that. You know, हमेशा मुझे ऐसे सब मजाक में बोलते थे, but अभी वो मजाक सच हो रहा है. But yes, don't be like me. I would say if you have any story like that, let us know in the comments. You know, I'm pretty sure बहुत लोग के life में ऐसा story हुआ रहेगा. Guys, even you're welcome. If you have met any creepy girl who creeped you out, let me know in the comments, because I feel, as I always say, this comment section is a space where we can all give puppy, jhappi and sahanubhuti to each other. But yes, that was my story. I hope you learned a lot of things from this story. That is my main intent of doing storytime videos, where I feel like जो भी गलती मैंने किया है वो public नहीं करना चाहिए. So I hope you learned something from this. Till then, stay safe. I love you. Be careful and do not go on dates with such guys where even the fathers are very creepy. Okay, so yeah, that's about it for today's video. Bye bye.